G'day guys and girls, and welcome to another DIY video. Now that we have the strut brace all sorted out, we're going to take off the sway bar here. You want to take off the front of the airbox that goes to the throttle body, couldn't think for a second, and then undo that bolt there, there'll be another one either side down behind. You want to undo this power steering line here, it's 8mm bolt. You can just move it out of the way, makes it easy to get to that. To disconnect the sway bar from the link rod, I need a 14mm and a 7mm. Now with the sway bar successfully out, forgot to film that bit, sorry. You can see that the silver one's just a bit bigger than the black one. Not much, probably only by like 5mm. But that's what we're looking for, the adjustability. Now that I've gotten the sway bar in, sorry we didn't get that filmed, I forgot to press play. Oops. Got that back to front. Now I just have to bolt the tops down on these and bolt these back into place, and this line over here. Put the air box back on, or the air line to the air box, and we should be good to go. The last thing to do, put these locking collars on either side, so the sway bar doesn't move around. Because there's no point doing all that work if you're not going to ensure that it stays aligned. Now it's a big improvement from what we had in there before. This side's all set up nice and proper. Same as the other side. So annoyingly, the camera ended up dying, and I didn't notice until after everything was done. We've had some wonderful filming mishaps this episode. I wasn't going to put it out, but I thought I'd rather show the realism of what actually goes on while I'm trying to do this stuff. So without further ado, as you can see, I've got the rear sway bar done. Sway bar links all in, all set. This one's quite easy to get in. My dog huffing and puffing behind me. Easiest way to do it, just undo these bolts both sides, and then that way you can sort of move them down and lift the sway bar up into there, and then you just tighten everything into place. Real easy job for the rigs. So I've gone and picked up an awesome OTR from Rev High Tuning. You can get them pretty much anywhere, just go into Google and have a look. They all come in black. I've painted this one to go with the purple aesthetics of the car. Quite like it, come out really nice. In a couple of months we'll be going to see Tuned by Chop, a local guy here in Rockhampton, and hopefully we'll be able to increase those horsepower gains. And for those of you who have stuck around until the end, here's the surprise. I picked up a 2015 Subaru BRZ to add to the fleet roof. white cars. It's got the STI goodies, front splitter, wheels, side skirts, 6-speed manual, calls, little wang, diffuser. Got some parts on order and on the way, so look out for some future videos. Thank you guys, sticking around till the end. Until next time, be good or be good at it.